Welcome to Magic Happens channel.
Acute inflammation. It has two types of events. One is vascular event and another one is cellular reaction. Vascular event has 5 steps. Let me discuss the 5 steps detailedly. The first is transient vasoconstriction. Let me tell you this diagram. This is on blood vessels. Consider this as an blood vessels, and these pink one are endothelial lining, and these are WBC. So here vasoconstriction take place. It will take place in a particular part of the blood vessels, not wholly. Look here, not wholly, only a particular place. So here vasoconstriction occurs, constriction of blood vessels take place. Here vasoconstriction is taking place, but remember this is transient. So the blood flow will be less here. So this was the first step. And the second one is persistent progressive vasodilation. Here dilation take place, where if dilation take place means the blood flow will be high, so then water content will be high in the blood vessels. Here this step is persistence. So we completed second step, which is persistent progressive vasodilation. Next we are coming to third step, which is elevation of hydrostatic pressure. Okay, first before going that, let me tell you that this is considered this as a blood vessel. As you hope you all know that blood vessel has two pressures. One is hydrostatic pressure, which is towards outwards, and another one is oncotic pressures, which is towards inside. When normally hydrostatic pressure is equal to oncotic pressure, we all know that one. So let me come to the point here. Here dilation take place, so blood flow increases, then water content increase. What is water? Another name of water, hydro. So hydrostatic pressure also increases here, so the force will be towards outside. So this is called elevation of hydrostatic pressure, which is third step. Next we are going to fourth step, which is increased vascular permeability. Before telling what is increased vascular permeability, let me tell you the meaning of permeability. Here, see, look at here in this first image, the endothelial lining or which is closed, there is no gap between them. But here the gap take place. That is permeability, which allows the inside particles to outside. So the gap occurs. This is called increased vascular permeability, which allows more content outside. See, look at this diagram. Here the gap take place. This is vascular permeability. Here this is WBC and protein. If this WBC comes out, this comes out, and this proteins comes out, so the edema will be taking place. There is two types of edema. One is transudate and exudate. If transudate means only fluid things will come out. Exudate means fluid plus protein particles will come out. See, look at this diagram. Here the gap is present. Here only the fluid alone, this blue color is fluid, only here this fluid alone came out. So this is called transudate edema. And another is where fluid and protein both will come out. See, look at here, this red color is protein. So fluid also came out and protein also came out. So this is called exudate edema. So these are the 5 types of vascular events. The next is cellular reaction, which hold 6 steps. Let me discuss you about this 6 steps. The first step is migration. Here the WBCs are in axial blood flow. We have to transfer this into peripheral blood flow, so that when it will go to the boundary and it will go out easily. So the first step is migration. So this WBC is migrated from here to here. And next is rolling. We have to roll it so that only we can take it to outside. So rolling take place. This is the second step. And the third one is adhesion. That means here after coming near to this gap, it will be stopped. This stoppage occurs. So that is called adhesion. From inside to it have to come to outside. So transmigration, this WBC is coming out. So transmigration is taking place. After this transmigration, the WBC is attracted by bacteria. That step is called chemotaxins. You may ask me how these WBCs are attracted by bacteria. Because the bacteria releases some toxins, so by that it will attract the WBCs. That step is called chemotoxins, which is fifth step. The sixth step is phagocytosis. At last finally the WBC is engulfed by the bacteria. Last step is sixth, which is phagocytosis.